The mother of Ahmad ibn Hanbal. Ahmad ibn Hanbal was in his mother's womb when his father died. She was the one who took care of him and raised him up. Until he was 70 years of age, he always remembers her and tells his congregation, no one took care of me like my mother. Every time he goes for Fajr, he makes dua for her. Why? He says, she used to wake me up when I was a child, warms the water for me in the cold days in Baghdad to make wudu. Then she walks with me to the masjid, waits for me outside until I pray and come out. Because she wanted to be sure that I reach the masjid safely. And if the army patrol was walking, she made sure that I walked with them and went to the masjid. And she says, stay in the masjid, learn the lessons and come back safely when it is morning.